Hello and welcome back to the English Flow Podcast. I am your host, Lucas. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today we have a very special and useful topic for everyone. We're going to talk about how to speak confidently in public. Speaking in front of people can be scary, but it is a skill you can learn. Before we start this important lesson, I have a small favor to ask you. Please subscribe to our channel right now. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon. This helps us make more free English lessons for you. If you subscribe, you will not miss our future episodes about how to speak confidently in public and other great topics. Thank you for your support. Now, let us begin our lesson on public speaking. The first step to speaking confidently is preparation. You must know your topic very well. When you know what you want to say, you feel safer. You should take time to read about your subject. You should write down the main points on a piece of paper. Do not write every word, just the main ideas. If you understand your topic, you will not be afraid of forgetting words. Preparation is the foundation of confidence. Think about what you want the audience to know. When you are prepared, you can relax. You know the information is in your head. This makes you feel strong. Take your time to study your topic before you stand up to speak. This is the best way to start. The second part of preparation is organizing your ideas. You need a clear plan for your speech. A good speech has a beginning, a middle, and an end. In the beginning, you say hello and tell people what you will talk about. In the middle, you explain your ideas. In the end, you summarize everything. This structure helps you, and it helps the people listening to you. If your ideas are messy, you will feel confused. If you are confused, you will not look confident. Keep your plan simple. Use words like first, second, and finally. This helps you move from one idea to the next idea smoothly. Organization gives you a map to follow while you speak. Another important thing is to use simple language. You do not need to use big or difficult words to sound smart. Simple words are often better because everyone can understand them. When you use simple English, you are less likely to make mistakes. If you try to use very hard words, you might stumble or forget them. This can make you feel nervous. Speak like you are talking to a friend. Be clear and direct. Your goal is to communicate, not to show off difficult vocabulary. When the audience understands you easily, they will listen more. This connection makes you feel good and boosts your confidence on the stage. Now, let us talk about your body. Your body language speaks louder than your words. You must stand up tall and straight. Do not look down at the floor. Do not hunch your shoulders. When you stand tall, you look powerful. This posture actually makes you feel more confident inside. Imagine there is a string pulling your head up to the sky. Keep your feet firm on the ground. When your body looks strong, people believe what you say. It is a simple trick, but it works very well. Practice standing in front of a mirror. Check your posture. A strong body helps you have a strong voice. Your hands are also very important when you speak in public. Many people do not know what to do with their hands. Do not put your hands in your pockets. Do not cross your arms. This looks closed and shy. You should use your hands to make gestures. Use your hands to show the size of something or to list numbers. Keep your hands open. This shows the audience that you are honest and open. If you are nervous, your hands might shake. If this happens, hold a small note card or rest your hands on a podium for a moment, but try to move them naturally. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools for confidence. You must look at the people in the room. Do not look at the back wall or the ceiling. Look at the faces of your listeners. If looking at eyes is too scary, look at their foreheads. They will think you are looking at their eyes. When you make eye contact, you connect with people. You will see that they are listening to you. Most people want you to do well. They are on your side. Seeing their faces can help you calm down. Try to look at one person for a few seconds, then look at another person. A smile is a magic tool for public speaking. When you start your speech, you should smile. A smile makes you look friendly and confident. It also makes your voice sound happier. When you smile, the audience will usually smile back at you. This creates a good feeling in the room. It relaxes you and it relaxes them. Even if you are talking about a serious topic, a small smile at the beginning is good. It shows that you are happy to be there. Do not have a frozen face. Let your face show your emotions. A warm face makes you a better speaker. Now, we must talk about your voice. Your voice is your instrument. You must speak loud enough for everyone to hear. If you speak quietly, you look shy and afraid. Practice speaking with a strong volume. You do not need to shout, but you must project your voice. Imagine your voice reaching the person in the back of the room. Breathing helps with volume. Take a deep breath before you speak. Use the air in your lungs to push the sound out. A strong voice commands attention. It shows that you believe in what you are saying. Do not be afraid to be heard. The speed of your speech is also critical. When people are nervous, they often speak very fast. They want to finish quickly, but if you speak too fast, people cannot understand you. You must slow down. Speaking slowly makes you sound more intelligent and thoughtful. It gives people time to process your ideas. If you feel like you are going too slow, you are probably going at the right speed. Take your time with each sentence. Enunciate your words clearly. Slowing down also gives you time to think about what to say next. It helps you stay in control of the situation. Pausing is a secret weapon for confident speakers. Do not be afraid of silence. Silence is not bad. You can stop speaking for a few seconds. This is called a pause. You can pause after a main point to let people think. You can pause before a big idea to create excitement. A pause also gives you a chance to breathe. Many beginners are scared of silence, so they say or Try to replace those sounds with a silent pause. It makes you look very confident and composed. Silence is powerful. Use it to make your speech better. let us discuss how to handle nervousness. Everyone gets nervous. Even famous speakers get nervous. The key is to breathe. When we are scared, we take short breaths. This makes our heart beat fast. You must take long, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Do this before you go on stage. Deep breathing calms your nervous system. It tells your brain that you are safe. If you feel panic coming, stop and take a breath. It is the best medicine for fear. Control your breath, and you will control your nerves. Positive thinking is very helpful for your mind. Before you speak, tell yourself good things. Say to yourself, "I am a great speaker," or "I can do this." Visualize yourself succeeding. Imagine the audience clapping for you. Do not think about making mistakes. If you think about mistakes, you will make them. Focus on the value you are giving to the audience. You have something important to say. Believe in your message. Your attitude determines your success. Be your own best friend and encourage yourself. Confidence starts in the mind before it shows on the outside. Practice is the only way to get better. You cannot learn public speaking just by reading. You must do it. Practice your speech in front of a mirror. Watch your face and your hands. See what you look like. This might feel funny at first, but it is very useful. You can see if you are standing tall. You can see if you are smiling. The mirror gives you instant feedback. Do this many times until you feel comfortable with your words. The more you practice, the less nervous you will be. Familiarity brings confidence. Another great way to practice is to record yourself. Use your phone to make a video of your speech. Then watch the video. Listen to your voice. Is it loud enough? Is it too fast? Watch your body. Are you moving too much? Being able to see yourself helps you fix problems. You can see what you do well and what you need to improve. Do not be hard on yourself. Be kind. Look for progress, not perfection. Every time you record and practice, you get a little bit better. Keep the videos to see your improvement over time. Finally, practice with a friend or a family member. Ask someone you trust to listen to you. It is different when a real person is watching. This helps you get used to eyes looking at you. Ask them for honest feedback. Ask them what they understood. Ask them if you looked confident. Speaking to one person is the first step to speaking to many people. Start small and grow. Do not give up. Public speaking is a journey. With practice and patience, you will become a confident speaker. Thank you very much for listening to this long episode of English Flow. Today we learned many tips on how to speak confidently in public. We talked about preparation, body language, voice, and practice. I hope you feel ready to try these tips. Remember, confidence comes from doing. You must practice speaking to learn speaking. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the button so you can learn more English with us. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms to see more content. We want to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Have a wonderful day and keep practicing.